Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and I am a Happy Planner fanatic. I am totally obsessed with the Happy Planner, so here on YouTube I share all about it. So if this is something that you are interested in seeing more of, I really hope that you consider subscribing as well as sticking around and commenting and liking and sharing this video, all sorts of things like that. So in this video, I am decorating with a new sticker book that I've never used before. It is the Spoonful of Faith collab with the Happy Planner. I've really looked forward to using this book because of that big courageous word. I think that is just gorgeous. I also really love that picture of those three girls. I think it's just so cozy and fun. I love the colors. I used the colorful boxes from this RongRong sticker book, and I went ahead and put down lots of different quotes and boxes already. So this is not always what I do with my videos by speeding them up and doing a voiceover, but this is a really busy week, which is another reason why I wanted to use this sticker book. We are moving, we're prepping our house, the photographer came today, there's all sorts of things going on. So I really like the simplicity of the way that this spread came out, and I think that it's really fitting for the week ahead. So that is another reason I am really looking forward to filling in this week. I think it's just going to look like really a lot like a journal kind of thing, where it's like a bullet journal where things are filled in and they have lots of cute sketches. I'm not really sure how I'm trying to explain it, but hopefully you guys kind of understand the feel that I'm going for. It's just really fun, cute, rustic, used, lots of writing, lots of words, my normal feel, but I just feel like that this sticker book has a different feel with the different drawings. Also, I of course really love the different words and quotes that are in this book, like the one that I put down beside this girl on the bottom left corner that says pray more, worry less. Having your house on the market, it can be one of the most stressful things that happen when you're moving and everything like that. And I really want to put this in the Lord's hands and not stress over it. So I'm all done. I babbled the entire time. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you think. I am really happy with the way that it turned out. I'm looking forward to this week. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye, guys.